Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop Hotspot mobile tethering stop automatically. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The mobile hotspot feature on Android devices is a quick and handy way to share your phone's internet connection. But for some users, the hotspots keep turning off for no obvious reason. If you're experiencing the same problem, in this video I will show you how to fix this, how to stop hotspot stop automatically. It's very simple, so first, often the simplest solution fix the most annoying problems. So here's things you should try before messing with your phone setting to fix the problem with your Android hotspot automatically turning off. So first, you can try to reboot your phone. Restart terminates all the apps and services running in the background. This can help fix problem caused by any conflicting processes running in the background as well as any other minor issues. So you can try to reboot your phone. Or after that, you can try to update your Android operating system. So you can go to settings, you can check on the settings about your phone. If there is an option to update your software, you can update it first. After that, you can try to turn on your mobile hotspot and check if it's still turning off automatically or not. And you can also check on your settings. So you can open your settings on your phone. You can go to portable hotspot settings. There is an option turn off hotspot automatically. Turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. So your hotspot will be turned off, disabled if there's no devices using your hotspot. You can just turn off this feature if you don't want your hotspot automatically off. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop mobile hotspot turn off automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.